All right, what I like to do with these is I like to mark the angles with colors. I find that to be um, a little bit more easy to deal with because then you can identify what colors line up with what. So I'll show you what I mean here. Okay, if you have the right angle, we can see where the right angle is on all of these. Let's mark the other two with colors. Let's say green. This one is green right here. Single, actually, let me pick a different color for that. Let's pick blue here. It's just easier to see. And then for the other one, let's pick pink over here. Okay. So for the big triangle, you've got a blue marked angle, a pink marked angle, and the right angle. Okay. So for the two smaller angles that are formed, you can see that obviously we know where the right angle is, and that's right here for these, right? But then if you already know that one of them is pink, and you can see that the big triangle and this triangle over here on the right hand side uh, is they're sharing that angle, then what remains for this other angle in the small triangle? Well, that remains the same measure as what the blue angle is over there on the left. Okay, so we can mark that like that. And likewise, if on this triangle, this smaller created triangle from that altitude, we have one that's blue, then what's the other one going to be as a result? It's going to be pink. So that one's going to be pink. So now we want to look at how they're naming it. Okay, um, this first one. Uh, let's look at the first one here. They say U to V to W. Which one is that? U to V to W. They're talking about the small triangle. U to V to W. They're going right angle to pink to blue. Right angle to pink to blue. So see if this one does the same. Okay, U to W to T. Right angle to pink to blue. It's great. Right angle to pink to blue is what the order of it is that they listed. And then lastly, let's do the large one, see what they do. W to V to T. We had done on the other ones right angle to pink to blue, so let's see if that works here. WV to T. W, right angle to pink to blue, W to V to T. It does. This first one works, just in the way that they did it. Okay. And another way you could look at it, I could just say, um, let me erase these and just say it again for the small triangle. Oops, here, let me put that one back on in pink. Okay. Um, for the small triangle that they name in purple, what they're naming is this angle first and then going in this direction. Like that, okay? Right angle to pink to blue. And so on the next one, U to W to T, they're doing right angle to pink to blue. And then on the big one, same way, they're going right angle W to V pink to blue. Okay. Anyway, that's they put it in the proper order in that first one, A, and so we're going to say, okay, then it's A. Just mark it. Now for this one, let's try the same thing. Um, the first triangle that they name, and actually let's do the same thing. Let's label the angles. I'm going to do the same thing with the blue here and the pink here, and then say what remains. Well, if this one was blue, then this one is also blue, and if that one was pink here, then this one's also pink here. And of course, as I said, you've got those right angles. So if they name this first one, they name it JMK, they're going pink to right angle, I'm sorry, pink to blue to right angle on that left triangle. Pink to blue to right angle. So pink pink to blue to the right angle. Okay. And let's do that for the next one. Let's see what happens for the next one when you do that. They're going M to L to K. Pink to blue to right angle, just like this said, pink to blue to right angle. That's great. And what about this last one here? See what they do with that one. They say J, pink to L to blue to M, the right angle. Pink to blue to the right angle. This one follows that same order, pink to blue to right angle. And again, that first one is the one. That's it. So we're done. Um, Hopefully you know exactly what to do with these particular types, but I guess a little bit it's hard to see what angle matches with what. So um, you could write your similarity statement out yourself at the start, and then they might have the letters out of order, but as long as yours are all corresponding in the same spot, that's fine. I don't know if this, what I just did there helped a lot. Hopefully you could see what